Hi guys, welcome back. I know I just made video. Since then I have put the rest of my face on. All I need to add is bronzer. So today we're going to talk about contouring and then two extra ways to use this. Basically, I'm going to be using this not only on my face, but on my eyes and my lips. So, are you ready? I hope you are. When you're applying bronzer, the main way that I use it is as a contour. So you can use, hi everybody, I get so nervous when people pop on, what the heck? Okay, so this has like a little bit of shimmer to it, but not too much. You can use a matte powder to contour and then add a highlight on top, or you can do this, and that's just one step. So all I do is I take some powder, and I kind of work it from up by my ear down towards my mouth, but not all the way. And I like to do little circular motions. Just kind of buff it in. See how easy that is? So we went from, well, I kind of have a natural cheekbone. But you see where like that hits, like when the angle hits the shadow? That's the one that we're redrawing. So right now it's like bare. And that's where we want to draw it. Okay? So that's what I did on this side. Now it's there no matter where the light hits. That's basically what we're doing. So what I like to do is start by doing the main parts of my cheekbones, my cheeks, and then you're going to think of it as a 3. So you're going to do some on the top, work it down, and then around the chin. And so you can kind of play with how much you want depending on how much change you want to make to your face. So I'll show you how this looks when I do half my face. Shoot, I should have not done this. Oh well, that'll be okay. And this brush, I use like 3 different brushes for my bronzer contour. This one works really well. It's just a tapered e.l.f. brush, but we do have some for sale on the site too. This is just what I'm using for this video. So like I said, you work a little bit extra down here, and always start with a little bit and then add more. You see what I mean? Like how this bronzer has like a nice little bit of a sheen to it, but nothing crazy. It's almost like it's on the edges or something. I could do like a super easy contour. And then I just blend it out, blend it into the hairline so that you don't have any crazy contrasting lines. And then I'm going to add a little bit onto my nose, and we'll look at both sides and compare. And for the nose, it's the same thing. Basically, you are doing it where the light would naturally hit, unless you want to make your nose slimmer. Now, I do not need to make my nose slimmer. It's really hard to just do one side of my nose. So we're going to do both. But basically that's what you're doing, is kind of slimming everything out and sculpting. You're adding darker shades on top of the lighter shade that you've made. Because when you take your foundation, basically think of it as a painting, right? Say you've slapped some foundation on it, you have a blank canvas to start with. Then as you add different colors and shapes, you can kind of make it into something else. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So yeah, that is how I do it. You just add the line, blend it in, and really blending is just the key. You just want it to be not too stark, okay? So that is the side where I did this because I wasn't thinking. But see how that makes such a difference up here and down here? It just gives you like an overall sculpted look. So I hope you guys like that. And I hope that makes it easy. If you are watching this on the replay or on the live, whatever, let me know if you have questions and I can try to explain it to you or make a video more catered to you if there's something I don't cover. But yeah, if you're live, feel free to ask anything and I will try to show you or address it. Okay. See how easy that is and see how much like shape that just gives to my face? Make sure to blend. Yeah, super easy. And this brush was like $3. So especially if you're scared to do it, just buy a $3, $2, whatever, $1 brush and just try it. Okay? Now on to the bonus. So I have added some light eyeshadow to my eyes and like a light shimmer. And then what I'm going to do is take the bronzer and add it into the outer corners just to give me a little bit of dimension, basically like I did with my face. So I'm going to hold this mirror so I can actually see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to add it on the outer corner and work it into the crease. This is like the thing that no matter what kind of makeup you wear, no matter how many products you want or how many steps you want, like this is so beneficial and easy bronzer. You can, like I said, you can use it for everything. See that? Just a little bit of depth. I almost dipped in my mirror. It's not gonna get you anywhere. Okay. I'm just gonna pack a little bit on the outside. And then I'm just gonna drag a little bit underneath too. See how much shape that gives? And that's bronzer, so you can use it as eyeshadow. Bada bing, bada boom. 2 for 1. 2 for 1. And we'll make it a 3 for 1 in a little bit. And then just doing the same thing on the other side. I'm just grabbing product. I'm really grabbing way too much. I'm just gonna press it in there. Whoa, yeah, pigment. Holy pigment, Batman. And then again, blend, blend, blend. Blending is key. We got some zit action going right here, some texture. Just trying to leave it alone and it will go away. Okay? Easy. Wasn't that easy? Okay. Then, 1, 2, 3. I forgot to add my gloss. Thank you, Delisa. This is just natural light. This is the light. I'll show you. Oh no, it's dead. It's dead because I was using it the other night. Okay, so I'm just going to add a light gloss onto my lips. And this gloss is called Peace. This is not what this video is about, but to put the bronzer on my lips, I'm just going to add a basic gloss. And these have a mirror on them. Super handy, not that I'm using it. But it's handy when you're out in public. A lot of us beauty guides will literally, I just put too much on, but a lot of us will literally just bring a gloss with us because it's a mirror. And you're like, oh, again, 2 for. Everything's fantastic. Okay, so I put way too much on, so I'm going to just kiss my hand. Yeah, natural light is always the best. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, yes. Okay, but then what I'm going to do is take this bronzer. Delisa, I'm so excited. I have so much to tell you. And just pack it on my lips. Look how pretty this is. So don't be scared of bronzer, you guys. Especially this one is so easy to use. It's a good color for everybody. It's a good blend of a little sheen, but not too crazy shiny. Nude lip. What do you think? So literally it says 3 for 1, and I don't even know how much this is. Allie, do you know? I don't know, like 20 bucks or something. Pro grade makeup, 3 uses. You can get it by itself, as I have here, or you can get it in a pack of 2, which I don't have. You can get a pack of 2 with like a powder and a blush, or a bronzer and a blush, or something like that. Or you can get it in 3, so you can get a duo, a trio, or you can get it in 6 like this. Any of the lipsticks sit on really well, like mattes. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh, yes. So, since you're asking, I was trying to make this video quickie, but I'm just going to tell you really quick. Our Enduring Lip Colors, literally called Enduring Lip Colors. These are my favorite. They last a super long time. They do come off a little bit once they're fully dry. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Allie. They do come off a little bit, but they're going to be way more long lasting than your typical lipstick. And they're lots of pretty colors. So try this out. This one's 20, I know that for sure. And then the other option is the Enduring Lip Liners. These are going to be waterproof, so it kind of is like, what kind of texture do you prefer? I'd recommend trying both and see what you like, because my tastes change all the time. But this is really cool too, and we have some pretty nudes, so if you do like a nude lip, this is going to be your best friend. But yeah, that is the bronzer video. Again, I did just like a contour on my face, a little bit on my eyes, packed it on my lips, and that's what it looks like. Lovely. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was inspiring to you to not be afraid to contour, because it's really not scary, especially if you just use one little thing like this. It doesn't have to be this crazy, use these 6 colors and try to sculpt every inch of your face. It can be, and that can be really fun, but if you just need something quick, there you go. Lipstick Star 22. Bullet. Is that what this is called? Or are you talking about the other kind? Anyway, this is not a lipstick video, but it became one. I love lipstick, so I'll make a lipstick video in the future. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned a lot, and I have to meet my friend. So thank you for watching, and be blessed!